10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Welcome to Peppy Hearts Preschool's annual day.
Today, we begin our celebration with the Diya lighting ceremony.
In India, lighting a diya is a symbol of light, knowledge, and positivity. It removes darkness and fills our hearts with happiness.
Just like a diya spreads light, today we celebrate India's bright minds who shine in science and technology.
So let's welcome our respected founder members of Peppy Hearts and guests to light the diya and start this beautiful event.
Whoa, almost tripped. But hey, no worries. Peppy Heart taught us how to stand up and try again.
Exactly. Hello everyone, I'm Rujul.
And I'm Shravani.
And we both are super duper happy ex-students of Peppy Hearts Preschool. Woohoo!
Wow, Rujul, can you believe it? Peppy Hearts is 10 years old. That's older than both of us when we joined.
Wait, if Peppy Hearts was a kid, it would be in 5th grade now. Wow!
But we still remember our first day like it was yesterday.
Oh yes, I walked in with my tiny hands, tiny backpack, holding my mom's hands super tight because I thought she was gonna leave me here forever.
Same. I was like, wait, am I moving in here? But then our teachers welcomed us with big hugs and even bigger smile.
Yes, and today, as Peppy Heart celebrates its big 10th anniversary, we would like to say a huge thank you, Peppy Hearts.
Thank you to our amazing teachers, our crazy fun friends, and everyone who make our early year the best. So come on, dear loving audience, we request you all present here to be a part of loads of wishes to Peppy Hearts Preschool.
Let us all wish them with the counts of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy 10th anniversary to Peppy Hearts Preschool.
So come on, dear loving audience, we request you all present here to be a part of loads. Say everyone with us.
Let us all wish them with the counts of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy 10th anniversary to Peppy Hearts Preschool.
To celebrate these 10 years, we look forward to many more filled with enthusiasm, growth, and countless memories. Thank you to all our parents and staff and family for being an integral part of this journey. Here's to the next chapter of nurturing little hearts and minds. Let's now commence the show with the blessing of the Creator with Team Aruna Panchal. Aruna Panchal, founder of Aruna Nrityam Shala, who has done her masters in performing arts, folk diploma and bachelor's from Nritya Kala.
Dalang kutak dikutak ta dingna tum dit tai tam dit tai tam takku tam tat Kutta kitta kinna tunga takku tam tunga tang gukku dhim ta കിട്ട കിണ്ണ തുങ്ക തക്കുത്താം തുങ്ക താതം ഗീതം ഗീ കിട്ടതക ധി കുത്താം തത് തത് താം തത് തത് ധിരികുടു തുങ്ക ദിക്കും താനി തക്കിട്ട കിട്ട തക ദിക്കിത്തുങ്ക ഹരിതിരുമരുകനെ വിഘ്ന വിനായക വിനയ കട അരുളിയ ഗണപതി ജയ ജയ ഹരിതിരുമരുകനെ വിഘ്ന വിനായക വിനയ കട അരുളിയ ഗണപതി ജയ ജയ കിട്ട ഉത്തന്ന കടം കിണ്ണം കിട്ട ഉത്തന്ന കടം കിണ്ണം തിരിക്കിട്ട തുങ്ക ദിക്കും താനി ദേവர்கள் ഗണപതി കിട്ട കിട്ട തക ദിക്കുത്തുങ്ക ഗണപതി ഗൗതം കற்றവ വിനയര ഉക്കുളുതാം ഉക്കുളുതൈ തകുതി കുത കീട്ട കിട്ട കിട്ട തകടം തങ്കി കിടതക ധീകൂതാ
Namaste.
Hello everyone.
Welcome to Peppy Arts Preschool's Annual Day.
We are so excited to be your hosts today.
Today, we are going on a journey through India's amazing world of science and technology.
Yes, India has given the world great scientists big discoveries and space missions.
So, get ready for an out of this world experience.
Namaste and a very warm welcome to everyone. Today is a special day. It's the annual day. The theme is Indian science and technology. Aravata Zero to Chandrayaan journey to the moon. We are excited to take you on a journey of discovery, fun and learning. So sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Jai Hind.
Are you all having fun?
India is a land of brilliant minds, great achievement, and endless possibilities. From scientists to astronauts, inventors to dreamers, we always shine.
Whether in space, science, sports, or technology, India always wins.
And today, we celebrate that spirit of victory, pride, and success.
So get ready to cheer loud as our little stars perform on Jeetega Jeetega India.
Let's clap and say together, Jeetega India, Jeetenge Hum.
Let's get ready to enjoy this beautiful performance by our future stars, who are the true champions of tomorrow. Now, I would like to request Likita ma'am to announce the list of performers.
The participants are Rudra Sarpotdar, Nirvi Shah, Ved Shah, Ishan Davle, Mishika Patel, Akshara Pandey, Pratiti Jethwa, Hriday Patel, Hitaj Sharma, Niranjan Vaishnav, Ayan Arjun, Savir Shah, Divij Jain, Jian Jain. A big round of applause for all of them, parents.
Come on, parents, let's cheer them.
मैदान में हम झंडे गाड़ में हो
lovely performance.
We are all proud Indians.
And when it comes to science, space, and technology, India is the best.
So, let's celebrate our power, pride, and love for India with a rocking dance.
Get ready to groove on Hum India Wale.
So rightly said. So let's turn up the energy, clap along, and celebrate the visionaries, the dreamers, the innovators, because we are India Wale. I would now like to request Likita ma'am to share the list of performers.
The participants are Heer Kotak, Yashvi Vaid, Jainish Waghela, Jia Khilnani, Stuti Gupta, and Riyan Kumar. A big round of applause. Parents, come on, cheer them up.
हो मारे यहाँ कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हम नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यारबाज हम, चालसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिलवाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज़ छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाते हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाते हम इंडिया वाले।
आँखों की चाबी से थोड़ा बेताबी से चुपके से खोले वे के वाले, जा देते उसको जगा देते, उपाय माने देते, जिसके भी ताले गगने वाले।
दुनिया से हमको क्या ले जाना, यारों के दिल में हो ठिकाना, जो दिल से यार हमें ले पुकार तो चांद सार कर डाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से यार से यार से, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे, सबको नचा दे, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Such a lovely performance by our little ones. India has always been a land of dreamers and doers, from the genius of Aryabhatta to the brilliance of ISRO. Our scientists and innovators have taught us that nothing is impossible when we dare to dream big. And now, it's the time for our performance that represents this very spirit of breaking boundaries, overcoming challenges, and soaring high. Okay, Avantika and Vriha, it's your time to shine. Do you have anything super excited or fun to say about what we just talked about? We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Give it your all, shine with confidence, and remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. So everyone, let's cheer them on with all our energies. Presenting Khol De Par. I would like to request Likita ma'am to share the list of performers.
The participants for the same are Swaransh Abhyankar, Nakul, Shaivi Shah, Jia Dedia, Stuti Gupta, Shivai, Avantika, Griva, and Ayan. A big round of applause.
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर,
Thank you to our little performers. From robots to digital wonders, get ready for a mesmerizing show that will leave you in awe for how technology can enhance learning, imagination, and creativity. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the incredible journey of innovation and performance. Let's let the show go on. I would like to ask Likita ma'am to announce the list of performers for the next performance. So as our kids will get ready for the event, let's have small interactions. So as it's our 10th annual day, it might be yours first maybe or n numbers. Would any of the parents like to share how they were feeling when they were getting their kids ready for today's events? Any parents interested in sharing their experiences? You can sit in your place and say, you don't have to come to the stage.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Many congratulations to Peppy Hearts for 10th annual day, and I wish it goes many, many, many more. Preparation for the kids, more than them, we were all, as in parents, were very excited. But yeah, they were like, do fast, because, teacher has told us to come on time. And yeah, it was, the dresses, choices were so amazing. So getting ready to all the kids, I am sure every parents have a unique experience. Especially if I'm talking about mine, it was very nice. It was all nice, and the start of the program, everything is going very nice. I wish very all the best to Peppy Hearts for further journey.
Thank you very much. Would any other parent like to share their experience?
Hi, actually, I had one experience with my kid. Is like we were not knowing till now on what song he was going to dance. Somehow, I was trying last 10 days. I was asking him which song. I was playing all my list, but he was not even saying something. Today, I am just saying and he's dancing. It's great, and all thanks to you guys that it is managed this way. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. One more parent would like to share the experience.
Good afternoon to all the parents and happy 10th anniversary to the Peppy Heart School. Sharing my experience is truly incredible experience from the morning. Actually, I'm excited from the day the annual day is announced in the Peppy Heart School. For my kid, this was the first performance on stage, and that too in dance. It has tears in my eyes when I was seeing him with the other child. So I'm very happy and very thankful from the bottom of my heart to the Peppy Heart School. And I wish that this year's continues, this legacy continues. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So, anyone else, or are we done? After the motivation that these parents gave, anyone else interested, or should we move further? Okay, so let's moving further. How about we do a quick riddle? So I'll just ask you the riddle, and anyone who gets the answer can just raise their hand and give the answer, okay? Okay, parents? So the riddle goes, I climb up high but fall back down. When raindrops push me to the ground, the sun comes up and I try again. Can you guess my rhyme, my friend? Nice. So are we interested in one more? Okay. Up a hill we went to get a bucket full. Nice. You people are very smart. I need to make it tough. So how about this one? I wear a coat, fluffy and black. I give you wool for a cozy sack. You people need to take some time so that I can, what is this, yaar? But very nice. Yeah, Peppy Hearts kids' parents. A moo moo here, a quack quack there. Animals make sounds. Nice. So, I am out of riddles. So, how about a questionnaire only? How about we share the experience of the first day of school? Anyone? I know it's obviously going to be memorable for everyone, but someone who wants to share it with us. Playgroup parent can share much better. Yeah, so playgroup parents, the first day of school, how exciting was it for you and your children? No hands rising? Anyone? Ma'am, would you like to say? Would you like to say?
Hi, Dhwani here, Ved's mom. And honestly, it was really, I was keen on putting him in play school. And the whole family was excited. It wasn't just me because the kid is first in the family. So not just me, but everyone was too excited that he's going. And it's really been a good journey till now. And I love seeing him on stage as I'm a dancer, so it's really nice. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for speaking up. Anyone else? First day experiences? No one willing to share? One person, at least one. No one?
Even I think there are grandparents are also there.
Oh yeah. We can talk to grandparents as well. Any grandparents want to share their experiences?
ગુજરાતીમાં પણ ચાલશે.
અચ્છા હા ગુજરાતીમાં પણ ચાલશે. Experience is an experience irrespective of language.
Hello, I'm Savir's દાદીભાઈ. સવીરની આ પરફોર્મન્સ ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેજ એના પરફોર્મન્સ જોયો. આઈ રિયલી પ્રાઉડ ઓફ એવરીવન. તમે લોકોએ જે એના માટે મહેનત કરી છે, વેલ ડન. થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, how about parents singing a rhyme which your kid sings every day at home? I'm sure they must be singing at home. Come on, parents. Any parent singing a rhyme. Come on, be sportive. Yes, we have one.
Hello everybody. Here Ved's નાની હરરોજ અમારા ઘરે આવે ને ત્યારે એને નચાવવું હોય કે દોડાવવું હોય કે એને કંઈ ખવડાવવાનું હોય તો એની આ ફેવરિટ પોએટ્રી છે. ટેડી બેર ટર્ન અરાઉન્ડ એટલે એક બાઇટ જાય. ટેડી બેર ટચ ધ ગ્રાઉન્ડ એટલે બીજું બાઇટ જાય. એમાં મારું ખાવા પીવાનું પતી જાય. અને ઓલ ક્રેડિટ ગોઝ ટુ યુ ઓલ ટીમ, પેપી હાર્ટ્સ ટીમ. Thank you.
Thank you. The list of performers will be shared by Likita ma'am.
The participants are Swaransh, Nakul, Jia Dedia, Ryan, Ayan, Griva, Hitarth, Pratiti, Shivai and Shaurya. A big round of applause. Come on parents, cheer them up.
Technology, 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 technology. Raise your hands, your techno hands. Bob your head if you understand that we're on a move, a techno move. Show the world your techno groove. Technology, 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 technology. Raise your hands, your techno hands. Bob your head if you understand that we're on a move, a techno move. Show the world your techno groove. Technology, 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 technology.
Break it down.
Raise your hands, your techno hands. Bob your head if you understand that we're on a move, a techno move. show the world your techno groove. Technology, technology, technology.
Thank you to our little performers. Let's have a big round of applause for them.
India is a home to some of the greatest doctors and scientists who have changed the world.
Our scientists gave us rockets, satellites, and new inventions, making India a leader in space and technology.
And our doctors work day and night to keep us healthy and safe.
Together, they make India proud and help us move towards a brighter future.
So, get ready for a special fusion performance that celebrates India's brilliant doctors and scientists.
Let's clap and cheer for our little stars.
The participants for the same are Rudra, Nirvi, Ved, Ishan, Mishika, Akshara, Pratiti, Hriday, Hitarth, Niranjan, Ayan, Savir, Divit and Jian.
Presenting our shining stars with their fusion performance. Let's have a big round of applause for them, parents.
चंदारे चंदारे कभी तो ज़मीं पर आ बैठेंगे बातें करेंगे तुझको आते इधर लाज आए अगर ओढ़ के आ जा तो बादल घने
माँ क्या हम चांद पे जा सकते हैं? हाँ बेटा क्यों नहीं पर उसके लिए तुम्हें बहुत मेहनत करनी होगी
चांद तारे सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं इतना सा ख्वाब है बस इतना सा ख्वाब है।
हिंदुस्तान ने आज अंतरिक्ष में ऐसी छलांग लगाई है कि दुनिया देखती रह गई है।
ये हिंदुस्तान के हौसलों की उड़ान है 125 करोड़ भारतीयों का अभिमान है अंतरिक्ष में सबसे ऊंची छलांग है ये है भारत का चंद्रयान।
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हर तो होश में कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है।
एक तरफ चांद की सफेदी में भारत चंद्रयान से विजय के रंग भर रहा था वहीं कोविड के युद्ध में डॉक्टर की सफेद पोशाक मानो मौत के सामने जिंदगी का मजबूत इरादा बन गई।
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सा जान बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे। बन के मैं की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा।
Thank you to all our little performers. Now everyone, we have a special treat. It's my pleasure to welcome back Prisha Gohil, an amazing ex-student of Peppy Hearts Preschool, to the stage. Prisha, we are so excited to have you here today. Peppy Hearts is proud to have been a part of your journey. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please come up and share with us the joy and wonderful memories of being a part of Peppy Hearts family in the past. We can't wait to hear what you have to say.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prisha Gohil, and I'm so excited to be back at Peppy Hearts Preschool. It feels like I never left. Peppy Hearts was the best place ever. I made my first friends here, danced like crazy, and even got messy with paint. Oops! Sorry, teachers. Every day was full of fun story times, splash days, fancy dresses, and even treasure hunts. My teachers were the sweetest. They taught me, hugged me, and made me feel like a superstar. And let's not forget the yummy snacks. Those were my favorite. I miss Peppy Hearts days so much. But I will always keep these memories in my heart. Thank you for giving me the best start to my school life. I love you, Peppy Hearts. Thank you.
What a spectacular journey we have had so far. Science and technology have always been the driving forces behind India's progress, taking us from the discoveries of ancient times to the marvels of space exploration today. India is the land of dreamers and achievers. We sent Mangalyaan to Mars in our very first attempt. We made history with Chandrayaan. And we continue to break barriers in science, innovation, and technology. And just like our great scientists, today's young minds, our junior and senior KG kids, are here to show us what it means to dream big and rise high. Their performance represents the unstoppable spirit of India, the courage to take on challenges, and the passion to move forward. I would like to call my friends Avantika and Vriha to take over on the same.
India is a land of brave hearts and achievers who never give up. Whether in science, medicine, space, or sports, we always move forward with courage and pride. Lehrado is a song of victory, strength, and patriotism. It reminds us to keep our flag flying high. So let's celebrate the spirit of India with this powerful performance. Get ready to cheer loud and say together, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
So let's cheer them on as they wave our flag high with pride and determination. Presenting Lehrado. I would like Likita ma'am to share the list of performers.
The participants are Heer Kotak, Yashvi Ved, Jainesh Waghela, Jia Khilnani, Stuti Gupta, and Ryan Kumar. A big round of applause. Come on, parents.
Parents, I would like each one of you to keep continuously clapping so that we can motivate each one of them dancing on the stage.
अपना है दिन ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल
Their performance are the true reflection of love, effort, and hard work they have put in, and they deserve a huge round of applause. At such a young age, these preschoolers are already embracing the power of learning. Knowledge is like a lamp that brightens our path, guiding us towards a future full of possibilities. And today, through this special performance, our tiny tots will showcase the beauty of wisdom, curiosity, and enlightenment. I would now like to call upon my friends Avantika and Vriha to take over.
Are you ready for a journey of knowledge and light?
In our world, there is one thing that can always guide, and that is knowledge.
Just like a diya spreads light in the darkness, Gyan helps us see the path to success and happiness.
The song Gyan Ki Roshni is all about how learning and wisdom can brighten our lives and show us the way forward.
When we learn, we become stronger, smarter, and better prepared to face anything life brings. Knowledge is the key to change the world.
So, let's celebrate the light of knowledge with this beautiful performance of Gyan Ki Roshni.
Let's clap and cheer for our little stars who bring the light of learning to us all.
Presenting Gyan Ki Roshni.
The participants for the same are Soumya, Swaransh, Nakul, Jia Dedia, Krisha, Ayan, Shivai, Avantika, Riyan, and Shaurya. A big round of applause, parents.
Danadom, 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 danadom. Danadom, 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 danadom.
हमें लिखना है पढ़ना है आगे ही बढ़ना है खाते हैं हम ये कसम
Danadom, 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 danadom.
जो ज्ञान का रास्ता है शिक्षा का रास्ता है उसी पे चलेंगे हम
सत्य क्या है ये सुनो अपने मन में जान लो ज्ञान की जो रोशनी है उसमें ही तो जिंदगी है
पाओ शिक्षा पाओ भोजन स्वस्थ मन हो स्वस्थ जीवन
वो जो शिक्षा पा गया है वो ही आगे आ गया है
पाओ शिक्षा पाओ भोजन स्वस्थ मन हो स्वस्थ जीवन
Another beautiful performance is now on the stage from Team Aruna Panchal. Let's take a moment to highlight the incredible Aruna Panchal, a renowned folk dancer who has been with Peppy Hearts for years, adding immense glory to our institute. Aruna ma'am is not only a masterful performer but also works with multiple schools, bringing a series of traditional dancers every year. Her passion for folk dance, along with her dedication to teaching and preserving cultural tradition, makes her an inspiring figure. We are truly lucky to have her as a part of our journey. Let's give her a big round of applause. The performance is called Shri Ramchandra Kripalu, a devotional hymn or stuti written by poet Saint Goswami Tulsidas, praising Lord Rama as compassionate and merciful. So let's give a round of applause for the kids.
सुन्दरं पटपीतमानभूतडितरुचिशुचिनामि जनकसुतावरं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना निकन्दनं रघुनन्द आनन्द कन्द कौशल चन्द दशरथ नन्दनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना सिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु सिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अङ्ग विभूषणम् आजानुभुज शर चापधर सङ्ग्रामजित खर दूषणं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनि मनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामाविकलदल कञ्जनम् इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनि मनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कलकलगञ्जनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमन हरण भव भयदारुणं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमन हरण भव भयदारुणं नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुखकर कञ्जपद कञ्जारुणं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना अगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरद सुन्दरं पटपीत मानवुतडित रुचि शुचि नौमि जनकसुतावरं गन्धर्वागणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरद सुन्दरं पटपीत मानवुत कन्दनं रघुनन्द आनन्द कन्द कौशल चन्द दशरथ नन्दनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मना सिर मुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषण आजानु भुज शर चापधर संग्राम चित कर भूषण सिर मुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषण आजानु भुज शर चापधर संग्राम जित खर दूषणं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मना इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनि मनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्ज निवास कुरु कामादिकलदल कञ्जनम् इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनि मनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्ज निवास कुरु कामादिकलदल कञ्जनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मना श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मना
A great teacher not only shares knowledge but also inspires the heart. Today, we are honored to facilitate Mrs. Aruna Panchal ma'am, a wonderful Bharatnatyam guru and a cherished part of our Peppy Hearts family. Your passion, dedication and love for dance have inspired our little learners, helping them grow with confidence and grace. We truly appreciate your contribution and looking forward for many more beautiful moments together. Thank you for being a part of the journey.
आज जो सारे बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, एक्चुअली ये हमने 1 वीक में पूरा परफॉर्मेंस रेडी किया है, तो प्लीज़ ये बच्चों के लिए क्लैप करिए. त्वेशा, ये जो क्यूट मंकी थे ना, ज़ारा, त्वेशा, यशा, कियारा, व्रीहा, बानी, दीशा एंड प्रशिका, प्लीज़ इन सब के लिए क्लैप कीजिए. एंड थैंक यू सो मच गर्ल्स, थैंक यू सो मच, लव यू.
I thank the team on behalf of Peppy Hearts Preschool. We are also proud of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So Aruna Panchal ma'am is along with Peppy Hearts since years and she's going to be with us for more years. So I would request anyone interested with any such folk dances, please do come up. She is a beautiful teacher. Thank you.
Today has been a celebration of talent, passion, and the incredible spirit of our little ones. Each performance so far has reminded us why we take pride in our nation and its achievements. India is a land of greatness, where history meets innovation, where culture blends with progress, where dreams take flight into reality. From our glorious past to our scientific breakthroughs, from our rich traditions to the minds shaping the future, there is so much to be proud of. And now, our young speakers are here to share their thoughts on what makes India truly great. With innocence in their heart and confidence in their voices, they will remind us why we hold our heads high as proud Indians. So let's encourage them with a big round of applause as they take the stage to present their speech on Pride of India.
Hello everyone. Do you know? Namaste everyone. Welcome to our special program Pride of India. India is a land of great leaders and brave soldiers. From the Himalaya to space missions, from the yoga to Taj Mahal, India makes us proud. So let's celebrate in our incredible country and its greatness. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Let's begin the show. Thank you. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Let's begin the show. Thank you.
Thank you, Riyan and Stuti, for your inspiring lines on Pride of India. Our little ones have truly lit up the stage with their energy, enthusiasm, and unstoppable spirit. And now, it's time to bring in some more fun, excitement, and a meaningful message with our next performance. First, get ready to dive into a world of joy and rhythm with our PG and nursery kids, bringing the splashy, vibrant vibes of Blue Hai Pani Pani. But that's not all. These tiny tots will always remind us about the power of wise thought with Ek Soch Sayani, because even the youngest minds can have the biggest ideas. Now let's keep the excitement going. We have some more talented stars ready to shine on the stage. Please welcome Avantika, Vriha, Jia and Yashvi as they come up to share their energy and joy with us. Let's give them a big round of applause as they join us on the stage.
Today, we take you on an exciting journey through India's achievements in science and technology with our theme Blue Hai Pani Pani. Because just like the vast blue ocean, knowledge and innovation have no limits.
From Asian discoveries to modern space missions, India has always been a land of great thinkers and innovators.
So let's dive deep into the world of Indian science and technology with some amazing performances. Are you all ready?
Let's begin the evening with an energetic dance performance. Blue Hai Pani Pani, that represents how water is the essence of life and innovation. Good evening everyone. Today we are here to talk about something very important. Say no to plastic. Plastic is everywhere. But did you know plastic harms the earth, animals and us? Yes, plastic takes hundreds of years to disappear. So we can save our planet. Let's stop using plastic and keep our earth clean and green. Thank you. Keep our earth clean and green. Thank you.
Oh, that was absolutely fantastic. A huge thank you to Avantika, Vriha, Jia and Yashvi for bringing so much energy and excitement to the stage. You all did an incredible job and we couldn't be more proud of you. Let's give them an even bigger round of applause. You guys truly rocked it. So let's give them all the love and encouragement they deserve as they take the stage with their cuteness, confidence and charm. Presenting our little wonders in Blue Hai Pani Pani and Soch Sayani.
The participants for the same are Rudra, Sanvi, Nirvisha, Ved, Ishan, Mishika, Akshara, Pratiti, Hriday, Hitarth, Niranjan, Ayan, Savir, Devit and Jian. Come on, a big round of applause, parents. Come on, kids. Come on. Parents, keep cheering. Keep cheering them. Lovely song.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच टूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच टूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी ठंडी रेत हो let's go to party यार मुझसे ना अब wait हो म्यूजिक चला दो शुरू करो पार्टी हो गई देर चला दो मुझको बस भी यार I don't care आज तू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच टूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी आज तू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी
Plastic pollution is destroying nature and harming wildlife. Marine animals mistake plastic for food. It's time to switch to eco-friendly alternative and reduce plastic use. Let's pledge. Say no to plastic. Save our planet.
छोड़ो प्लास्टिक थैली हम सब ने अब ठानी अपना लो कपड़े की कोई थैली नहीं पुरानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी छोड़ो प्लास्टिक थैली हम सब ने अब ठानी अपना लो कपड़े की कोई थैली नहीं पुरानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी
How little hands can create big changes. Our young minds have been exploring the concept of best out of waste, a simple yet powerful idea that teaches us to think creatively, be resourceful and care for our environment. And did you know the very idea of reusing and innovating has been the foundation of India's scientific and technological progress? From space missions that use cost-efficient methods to engineers who turn plastic waste into roads, India has always led the way in making the most of the limited resources. Through today's performance, our little stars will show us how even waste materials can be transformed into something beautiful and useful. Just like how a small idea can grow into a big invention, a tiny effort today can change a brighter, more sustainable future. I would like to call upon my friends Avantika and Vriha to take over.
Are you ready for a special journey through courage and determination?
India has always been a land of dreamers, warriors, and achievers. No matter the challenge, we stand strong and never give up.
The song Mitwa from Lagan is a song of hope, unity, and hard work. It teaches us that when we believe in ourselves and work together, we can achieve anything.
Just like our great scientists, freedom fighters, and leaders, we must always be brave and determined to reach our goals.
So let's celebrate the spirit of strength and victory with this beautiful performance on Mitwa.
Let's clap and cheer for our little stars as they bring this inspiring story to life.
Before the performance, here we have Stuti and Rehan, who will now explain us this meaningful thought in their tiny but beautiful words.
Hello everyone. Do you know waste can be turned into something useful? Look, I made a picky band from plastic bottle. Instead of throwing it away, I now save my coins in it. Wow, that's cool. I make this bag from old newspaper. Plastic bags harm the earth. This bag keep our planet clean. So let's reduce, reuse, recycle. Best out of waste is fun and save our planet. Thank you.
A huge thank you to Rian and Stuti for their meaningful explanations on how we can make the best use of what we have. You both truly highlighted the importance of creativity and resourcefulness. It is such an important lesson and you made it so clear and inspiring. Let's give them a big round of applause for sharing such valuable insights with us. Today, as we watch these young performers, we are witnessing the future scientists, engineers, and innovators of tomorrow. Their energy, creativity, and curiosity are the building blocks of next generation of discoveries and advancements. So with that in mind, let's cheer them as they come on the stage to perform Mitwa, a celebration of dreams, creativity, and limitless possibilities that await them in the exciting world of science and technology.
भारतीय विज्ञान और तकनीक ने चंद्रमा तक कदम बढ़ाए।
हर संत कहे साधु कहे सच और साहस है जिसके मन में अंत में जीत उसी की रहे। आजा रे भले कितने लंबे हो रस्ते हो थके न तेरा ये तन हो। आजा रे सुन ले पुकार डगरिया रहना ये रस्ते तरसते हो। तू आजा रे इस धरती का है राजा तू ये बात जान ले तू। कठिनाई से टकरा जा तू नहीं हार मान ले तू। मितवा सुन मितवा तुझको क्या डर है रे ये धरती अपनी है अपना अंबर है रे। ओ मितवा सुन मितवा तुझको क्या डर है रे धरती अपनी है अपना अंबर है रे। तू आजा रे मस्ती भी छाएगी मिलके पुकारो तो फूलों वाली जरूरत है आएगी।
हाँ सुख भरे दिन दुख की बिन लाएगी हम तुम सजाइया रंगों के मेले।
रहते हो बोलो काहे तुम यूं अकेले। मितवा सुन मितवा तुझको क्या डर है रे, ये धरती अपनी है, अपना अंबर है रे। ओ मितवा सुन मितवा, तुझको क्या डर है रे, ये धरती अपनी है, अपना अंबर है रे, तू आजा रे।
Because I sure can. Today we are in for a treat. One that will fill our hearts with pure joy and remind us of the boundless energy and enthusiasm of our little ones. The Fun Club and Daycare kids have been working tirelessly to bring us a performance that's all about celebrating life with joy and vigor. They'll be performing Ek Zindagi, a song that's as well as lively and full of spirit as they are. Now, when we talk about enthusiasm, there is no better example than these kids right here. They don't just perform, they live every moment on the stage. And their excitement is so contagious that we can't help but feel it too. It's a beautiful reminder of how life, no matter how small we are, should be lived with laughter, fun, and the kind of energy that can light up the whole room. I would like to call upon Avantika and Vriha to take over.
Life is a beautiful journey full of ups and downs, challenges and triumphs.
And just like every step of this journey, Ek Zindagi reminds us to celebrate the magic of life, to embrace joy, love, and hope.
But you know what makes life even more special? Our love for our nation.
India is a land of rich culture, history, and values that fills us with pride and strength. We are all connected by our love for this beautiful land.
The song teaches us that no matter where we go or what we face, we must always remember our roots and celebrate the unity and pride of being an Indian.
Every day is an opportunity to learn, grow, and share happiness with the world around us and to make our nation proud.
So, let's celebrate the beautiful gift of life and the love we have for our nation with this vibrant performance of Ek Zindagi.
Let's clap and cheer for our little stars who remind us to enjoy every moment of our amazing lives and to love our Bharat Mata.
Now let's get ready for Ye Zindagi, a performance that will remind us all of the power of joy and beautiful spirit of childhood.
The participants are Swaransh, Nakul, Jia Dedia, Krisha, Heer, Griva, Shivai, Soumya, Jia Kilnani, Ayan and Shaurya.
मैं तो बादलों से टोरे जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां हार के जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां मैं पूरी करा जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां मैं जीना मैं पूरी करा मैं जीना मैं पूरी करा।
Another exciting news is on the way. its unique, technically supported kids' choice and books circulating library, the Elephant Library. At Peppy Hearts, we believe that reading is the foundation of learning. That's why we are thrilled to introduce Elephant Kids Library, a space dedicated to nurturing young readers with a wide reflection of books and toys for different age groups. This library will encourage children to develop a lifelong love for reading and exploring toys. Reading is not just about words, it's about imagination, creativity, and knowledge. We invite all the parents to explore our library and become a part of this exciting journey. You will be personally attended for your queries in this regard at the display counter at the entrance. Do visit the counter, parent. As we all know, today is the day to celebrate the strength, grace, and incredible spirit of women. And there is no better way to honor this occasion than by recognizing the amazing mothers in the room, those who nurture, guide, and inspire each and every day. Today, we have something very special prepared for you, a performance by none other than the wonderful mothers who have come together to showcase their talent, energy, and unity. These mothers not only shine as role models in their families, but they are also the pillars of strength in our communities. Through their hard work, sacrifice, and love, they make the world a better place. As we watch them perform today, let's remember the invaluable role of Mother's Day, not just in their homes, but in shaping the future. Their dedication and strength is a powerful reminder of what womanhood truly represents.
Today, we come together to celebrate Women's Day, a day to honor the amazing women who have made a big difference in the world. Women are our mothers, teachers, doctors, scientists, leaders, and so much more. They have the power to inspire, nurture, and create change in ways that help make the world a better place. From Rani Lakshmi Bai to Kalpana Chawla, from mothers who shows us endless love to the teachers who guide us every day, women are at the heart of every success story. So let's celebrate the strength, courage, and love that women bring to the world with this beautiful performance honoring Women's Day. Let's clap and cheer for our incredible women in our lives and for the little stars who are ready to show us how wonderful women truly are.
लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, मॉडल टाउन च मारी गेड़ी, मॉडल टाउन च मारी गेड़ी, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ,
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले, चलेगा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले,
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो
तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई।
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे ढूंढने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई।
छन छन बोले मंगल सारी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बन जानी, कर ले गल्ला पूड़ियां। छन छन बोले मंगल सारी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बन जानी, कर ले गल्ला पूड़ियां।
Oh God, one more remix.
दिल धड़काए और सीटी बजाए, दिल धड़काए सीटी बजाए, बीच सड़क पे नखरा दिखाए, सारे हो करके इशारे, हो लड़की हो लड़की हो लड़की आँख मारे आँख मारे, हो लड़की आँख मारे आँख मारे, हो लड़की आँख मारे।
What a lovely performance on Women's Day. What a wonderful day this is, filled with excitement and creativity from these supportive mothers. As we continue celebrating this joyous occasion, we have a very special treat for you today. Our Fun Club Daycare kids have put together a vibrant and energetic performance that will not only entertain but also highlight their talents in the digital world. In today's age, social media has become an exciting platform for creativity and expression. And our young performers have taken this opportunity to bring their imagination to life. Their performance on social media is a fun and innovative way of showcasing how they are learning to express themselves in the digital space while also embracing the world of technology and social connections. Through dance, music, and a touch of playful magic, these kids are sure to leave you all amazed. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this fabulous display of talent and creativity.
The participants of this performance are Ayan, Soumya, Jia Dedia, Heer, Swaransh, Shivay, Shaurya, Nakul, Jia Khilnani, Avantika, Pratiti, Krisha, Shaivi, Griva, Hitarth, Rayan, Vriha, and Stuti.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा हो
बच्चों सुनो, आज हम डिनर करने के लिए बाहर जाते हैं।
चलो चलो बच्चों जल्दी चलो।
हाँ मम्मी चलो चलते हैं।
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप यहाँ, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
आउटस्टैंडिंग। अरे अरे कोई तो बचाओ, सुनो भाई साहब सुनो, भैया
ज्यादा वक्त हम अब अपने फोन को देते हैं, भूल जाते वो खुशियां जो उनके साथ रहने में होती है। दूसरों की तकलीफों का मजाक बना लेते हैं और अपनी तकलीफों का स्टेटस बना लेते हैं। मैंने तो अपने भाई को खो दिया है, ये गलती आप मत करना, क्योंकि इंसान ने टेक्नोलॉजी को बनाया है, टेक्नोलॉजी ने इंसान को नहीं।
सच है समय का ही सब दोष है, धड़कन धड़कन एक घूम रहता है, वो जाने क्यों उम्मीद कहता है, जी ले जरा, जी ले जरा, कहता है दिल, जी ले जरा, सफल
Okay, so there I would request those who are forming couples, like in couples, please could you come up to the stage? No, not me, please. Apart from me, others. Yeah, then क्यों हाथ सब नीचे चले गए? Yes? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? Okay, so I have over here a list of performers. So I want all those over here, okay? Partners over here. One over here, the other in the crowd, please come up. So we are very good, to all our parents along with the kids.
अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है कि दिखता नहीं मगर कुछ है, अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है कि दिखता नहीं मगर कुछ है, फिदा हूँ मैं तो एक नजर बस, बस एक नजर तक के लगे भी तो ये और किधर अब और किधर दिल संग तेरे लग के सही वो भी लगे मुझको
ब्यूटीफुल।
गलत तुझ में अगर कुछ है अलग तुझ में
एक्सीलेंट, सुपर, लवली, तुमसे
रात है मैं दिल पागला, तुम हो कभी
lovely.
There is no love like a mother's love, and no bond as strong as the one between a mother and her child. Today, we are here to honor all the incredible moms who fill our lives with warmth, care, and endless love. And what better way to express our gratitude than through a beautiful performance by our little stars. Their way of saying, "Thank you, Mom, for everything you do." These kids have worked hard to show their appreciation through this performance, and I'm sure you'll agree that no one deserves a celebration more than our amazing mothers. From sleepless nights to cheering at every milestone, you are always there, loving unconditionally. So let's enjoy this beautiful tribute to all the mothers who make the world brighter with their love and grace. Let's give a big round of applause to the children as they take the stage to perform this heartfelt gesture of love for their wonderful mothers.
Please welcome our little champs, Ayan, Soumya, Jia Dedia, Heer, Swaransh, Shivai, Shaurya, Nakul, Jia Khilnani, Avantika, Pratiti, Krisha, Shaivi, Griva, Hitarth, Rayan, Vriha and Stuti.
माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, ओ माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी, हो खुदा पे भी असर तो दुआओं का है घर। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी मम्मा।
Today we have a performance that's all about their unbreakable connection, that endless love and pure joy between mothers and their little. It's a celebration of everything that makes this relationship so unique, filled with laughter, hugs, support and unforgettable memories. So without further delay, let's cheer them on so they take us on a journey of love, fun and celebration. Let's show them all our support and excitement as they share this beautiful moment with us.
I request Thea, Ishan, Sanvi and their moms.
Good evening. My name is Mayuri Patel, Hriday parents, Hriday's mom. Ma'am, every day we have a memorable day because whenever we come up from the school, so all the day we have a laugh because they are doing different activities from the schools, and teachers also knowing as to different activities like they are doing laughing or something different. इट मीन्स के जो हृदय करता है स्कूल में वो टीचर हर बार बोलते हैं कि मैं जब भी नहीं मिलता हूँ हृदय को तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सो ऑल डे वी हैव अ मेमोरेबल डे. सो थैंक यू पैपी हार्ट्स to memorable journey last 2 years. So thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Any more memories? Something funny? No one's kids doing anything funny after school? No new rhymes, nothing memorable?
हेलो, माय नेम इज़ मृदुल. स्वरांश की मम्मा हूँ मैं. एक्चुअली स्कूल में नहीं है स्वरांश, डे केयर में है. सो एक्चुअली स्कूल के टीचर्स एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं कि वो डे केयर के टीचर्स एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं कि वो स्कूल से आने के बाद क्या रिएक्ट करता है, क्या बताता है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मुझे डे केयर के टीचर्स बताते हैं कि स्कूल में क्या हुआ था. सो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट मेमोरी एक्चुअली. वो बताते हैं मुझे. एंड अभी जो ये डांस के लिए सॉन्ग्स चूज़ किए थे उसका एक बेस्ट मेमोरी है कि हम रोज़ उसको पूछते थे. आई थिंक किसी के पेरेंट्स ने बोला ये, तो इट्स अ टॉप सीक्रेट करके कुछ ना कुछ गाता था. एंड इट वाज लाइक टास्क फॉर अस कि हम गेस करते रहते थे कि ये कौन सा गाना हो सकता है. बट टीचर ने बोला सीक्रेट है तो इट्स सीक्रेट. दैट्स इट. और एक बताना था, लाइक अभी उसको 2 साल हो गए डे केयर में. सो स्टार्टिंग के 15 डेज वर स्वरांश से ज़्यादा पेरेंट्स मतलब हम रो रहे थे एंड टीचर्स कंसोल्ड अस, क्योंकि हमने उसके पहले कभी डे केयर में रखा नहीं था. तो इट वाज लाइक स्वरांश हैप्पी था वहाँ पे और हम रो रहे थे. तो टीचर को स्वरांश से ज़्यादा हमें कंसोल करना पड़ा. एंड आई थैंक देम फॉर दैट एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन 10th एनिवर्सरी. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
तेरे हैं ना ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे हैं ना ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल हाँ, मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल
Come on, parents! Wonderful performance. Big round of applause.
मिल गई खुशी
Such a lovely bonding. Look at the kids.
ढूंढते तेरे निशान मिल गई खुदी तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल हाँ, मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं
Lovely. Superb, superb. Well done.
Now we have a surprise planned by the partners of our founder members. I would like to call them all on the stage. I would also like to call the staff members as well and the founder members. Please give a big round of applause for the team. So the surprise, can everyone see the surprise? What is it written on there? Happy 10th anniversary to Peppy Hearts Preschool.
Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I was afraid to think that you thought you were above me, that I was only fooling myself and think you loved me. But since tonight you said you wouldn't live without.
Just two few words from the promoters. Yeah, okay.
All our
Yeah.
investors.
Okay, so like it goes like this. March 15, 2015, right? If I'm correct me with the figures. So this is the 10th year. So March 15, 2015, it was in Tilak Nagar they started, and now it is in Ghatkopar, upgraded from Tilak Nagar to Ghatkopar. So it's 10 years, and I think so. There has been very ups and downs. Even in COVID also, school was up and running with good amount of students. So it was fun. I mean, they have grown. I've seen their growth. So it has grown. So anybody else would like to say something?
To all the teachers here and to the three ladies here, the only thing what I would like to say is कि अब जब भी ये स्कूल में आओगे ना, तो ये जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे आप हंसते हुए देखोगे ना, it feels very proud to me. That is the only thing that inspires me to be a part of with them, and to be very honest, that is the best thing I've ever seen here. Thank you.
husband say.
તમારું બાકી છે એમને કહેવાનું યાર ક્યારના બિચારા હલ્લું કરે છે.
Okay, it's my turn now. Thank you, everybody. And just I would like to introduce myself. I am Pooja Teacher's husband. And I can say she has managed, or all the ladies have managed, home and school very well. All the families' ups and downs, and all the schools' ups and downs, they have managed very well. Today is Women's Day, International Women's Day. I would like to thank all the females here and in our life. Thank you very much to be a part of our life. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच. नहीं रोने जैसा कुछ है ही नहीं तो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द ब्यूटिफुल सरप्राइज. Today, while cutting the cake, it really gave me, the emotions are very mixed, you know. While cutting the cake, I just went back to the flashback, and I was just recollecting how we went through the journey. Lots of ups and downs, moving off, you know, the school premises. We kept on changing due to certain reasons. Then, of course, during COVID, in spite of so many hurdles, we were able to take, you know, playgroup nursery. Taking online is a great task. But then we were running successfully during COVID also, online sessions. Post-COVID, it didn't take us much time to bloom again, because the parents, they were very supportive. The moment we started, we reopened post-COVID, parents had a beautiful support to us, and then we were able to bloom again. So the story, the history, the period of this 10 years is a teamwork. It is not just an effort by we over here as a founder member. It has many things. The back support, the support from the family, the support from the staff, everything. It's a teamwork. So I wish everybody over here, even parents are a part of this team. My kids are a part of this team. So I wish everybody over here a very happy anniversary, a very happy 10th anniversary to Peppy Hearts family. A big hand of applause to us. Thank you.
I would like to call Meena Shah, the beloved sister of Pooja Kumbhani, to say a few words on the journey.
Wow.
मैंने जिसे अभी अभी देखा है, कौन है वो अनजानी. मैंने जिसे अभी अभी देखा है, कौन है वो अनजानी. वो है कोई कलिया, कोई किरण, क्या है कोई कहानी. उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं, क्या उसे मैं कह दूं. Pretty woman.
I request my sister my motherly image to please come here with me and say the words she is prepared for me.
हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। आज का इस बेटर इन प्रोग्राम जो एनुअल डे फंक्शन का सभी टीचर्स ने, पूरी टीम ने जो परफॉर्मेंस किया है, जिस तरह से रेडी किया है, बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ़ है। जितनी तारीफ़ करो उतनी कम है। फिर भी मेरी सिस्टर के लिए और बाकी टीचर्स के लिए मैं दो सब कुछ कहना चाहूँगी। आज के इस खूबसूरत और ख़ास दिन पर मैं अपनी बहन पूजा टीचर को दिल से शुक्रिया करना चाहती हूँ। बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन। उसकी मेहनत और लगन ने ना सिर्फ अपने स्कूल को इनकरेज किया, बेटर इन बनाया, बल्कि अपने हर स्टूडेंट्स को इंस्पायर किया। वो हमेशा अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ को पूरे सच्चे मन से और दिलो जान से साथ निभाती है और अपने काम से हम सभी को मोटिवेट करती है। हमारे लिए ये बेस्ट मोटिवेट है। मैं यह भी चाहूँगी कि मैं अपनी बहन के साथ साथ मेघा टीचर, लिखिता टीचर, दिल से आप दोनों को शुक्रिया करती हूँ और स्कूल के बाकी टीचर्स और पूरे स्टाफ का शुक्रिया। उन्होंने अपनी मेहनत और डेडिकेशन से इस स्कूल को सफलता की ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाया है। आप सबका आज के इस इवेंट में हिस्सा लेना और आना, आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू so much.
Thank you, Dee. It was really very, very, very beautiful and very touchy. It touched my heart. Thank you so much.
मैंने जिसे अभी अभी देखा है, कौन है वो अनजानी? वो है कोई कलियां, कोई किरण, क्या है कोई कहानी? उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं, क्या उसे मैं कह दूं? Pretty woman, देखो देखो ना pretty woman, pretty woman, देखते हो ना pretty woman, pretty woman, तुम भी कहो ना ओ pretty woman.
Say 3 cheers for Peppy Hearts. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Now let's move ahead to the finale song.
So, after such an emotional moment, not so much of tears but more of emotions, let's end the annual day with our finale song. So sit back, relax and get ready for the performance full of energy, talent and heart. Let's give our staff and founder members a huge round of applause as they take the stage to share their creativity and love with all of us.
यहाँ हर कदम
नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तुम पे तरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तुम पे तरिए या मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया जाते हुए राहों में हमसे अभी कह के गई
हमारा ये वक्त हमारा जो एक बार गया तो आए ना दोबारा समझ लो जरा ये हवाओं का इशारा मेरे यारों अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो
सब जो साथ में रहे खुशियाँ सब हाथ में रहे हमसे बस फासले रहे यूं हर तुरुत चाहे कहीं भी किसी भी मोड़ पर बिगड़ेगी कोई बात भी अगर मिलके एक दूजे से कहें यूं
ये बातें छोटी मोटी बातें ये आए जाए जैसे कि दिन और रातें ना आँखों से लगाना कभी ये बरसाते मेरे यारों अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो
So parents, this is the finale song and we are moving ahead to the end of the function. As a tradition, you have to come up to pick up your child while dancing. So all the parents, one by one from this side, come dancing and take your child and take the exit. Come on parents!
We thank you, Bhumi teacher, our choreographer. Bhumi teacher, please come, Bhumi teacher.
Come on parents!
A big round of applause for our choreographer, Bhumi teacher. Thank you so much.
न जाना ये तूने न जाना ये मंजिल तेरी इन्हें है तुझे पाना है मैंने कहा जो वो सुन ले ज़माना मेरे यारों अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो
Come on parents, dancing!
ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो
Both the parents please!
चल पड़ी जाते हुए राहों में हमसे अभी कह के गई
हमारा ये वक्त हमारा जो एक बार गया तो आए ना दोबारा समझ लो जरा ये हवाओं का इशारा मेरे यारों अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो
जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो, अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो, जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो।
झुमका गिरा दे जो मिला ले अगर वो नजर से नजर मिटा दे, नच के दिखा दे सबकी धड़कन में कदम से कदम मिला दे, पैरों से चाल के जाल बिछा के दिल को यूं बेहाल बना दे, सारे दीवाने माने बदे की कोई ऐसी हो।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय